Hi everyone, it's Efe here. This morning I just want to share a few things with us, and it's just in form of a question. Am I ready? A lot of times we ask ourselves, am I ready, whenever we are going into a new venture? And these three questions will help you to find out whether you're ready or not. And Marie Forleo says start even before you are ready, because if you're waiting for when you'll be ready, that time may never come. So one of the questions you should ask yourself is, do I have the experience I need? And if you don't have the experience, then go ahead and look for people who have had experiences in those areas and model them, get training from them, get close to them, read their books, see what they have to offer in that area. The second question you need to ask yourself is, do I have enough information? A lot of times we hide under the fact that, oh, we are still researching, we need information, we need to know more about what we are going into. But they say procrastination is a thief of time. And a lot of times procrastination hides under this cover of, I need to get more information. If you need to get more information, get to it, start it right now. The other thing that we ask ourselves is, do I have a step-by-step plan? Because you don't just want to go into a venture, you don't want to go into a business and you find out halfway that, oh, you did not get this information or you did not do it this way. Yes, there will be challenges along the way, but those challenges may not be as a result of you not having a step-by-step plan. So get a step-by-step plan and get a step-by-step training if possible. So am I ready? Are you ready? Are you ready to take on life? Life, a lot of people go through life with what life throws at them. They are not prepared, they are not ready yet. But challenges, they said good are the uses of adversity. So good are the uses of challenges, because it's when you have challenges that your mind begins to work, your mind begins to look for solutions. So are you ready? And if you are not ready, have you got the experience? If you have not, have you started? Do you have enough information? And do you have a step-by-step plan? I'll leave us with these questions for today, and I hope it will kick in some thinking, and we'll take a step in the right direction. I have some links around this video, and they will just help you if you can just watch the videos, or if you can look for information that you need. I hope that these resources will help you to make up your mind. These resources will help you to get thinking. These resources will help you also to start whatever venture you have been procrastinating about. All right, then I'll see you on the next video. But I want you to like, subscribe, share, and comment, and take care. Have a great one.